Hello, welcome to today's market snapshot from LCG. Well, the Fed did hike rates yesterday, but as suspected, we saw a bit of a drop in the dollar, a rally in the gold, as we mentioned in yesterday's market snapshot. Today, we're turning our focus to both the Bank of England and more to the indices side of things, because equities, because there was quote unquote a dovish hike from the Fed yesterday, equities are moving higher, and we've seen a fresh record high for the FTSE 100. So we want to see whether that's sustainable. Something that could potentially knock it is the Bank of England today. We suspect it probably won't, because the Bank of England really are sitting on the fence at the moment. They don't know whether to worry about higher inflation from the drop in the pound and inflation being imported from higher prices abroad, or whether to worry about a slowdown in the British economy as we approach Brexit. So the Bank of England really aren't doing anything. I don't think they'll change their outlook massively, in which case the outlook for the pound is probably fairly neutral. So if we do get a rally in the pound, that could undermine this jump in the UK 100. Conversely, obviously, if we get a drop back in the pound, that would be positive for the UK 100. But at the moment, indices globally are moving higher, and probably the Bank of England is not going to be able to upset that. But we'll have a look at the charts now. So this is our daily chart for the UK 100. As you can see, as of today's candlestick, if I zoom in a bit more, you can see we've broken into fresh record high territory today. And we have been consolidating a bit since the bigger pullback at the start of the year, but we've been gradually easing higher. We've held above this 50-day moving average all along. The test there, the almost test there, held the 21 as we referenced in a previous market snapshot video. And you can see these previous peaks have been playing an important role. So this peak here, you can see we've got the little push to the top side after that rejection, came back, tested it here. I'll show you that on the 4-hour chart in a bit more detail. That's where we've got the push to the top side, tested it once, tested it twice, held that long-term level, held the next level, and then we've pushed on into record territory. So at this point, it's a bullish development. Record highs are bullish by their very nature. And so we're looking for this trend to continue, but obviously we'll be savvy to what the Bank of England are doing at today's meeting. So that's it for today's market snapshot. We were looking at the UK 100, our proxy for the FTSE 100 and its record highs, and just looking at the chart, seeing if the Bank of England can do anything to damage it. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter, and any other social media channels from LCG.